Okay, back with Zeus. We're going to work on his feet now. Got him thinking. We're trying to keep it short. These guys lose their attention really quick. But hopefully we've got him thinking enough where we can lift his feet without a problem. He was trying to nip at me yesterday. We'll see if it works. Moving four corners a little bit. Leaning on me a little bit. Chew on things. Get your mouth away. I wasn't getting the message, and it was starting to turn into a game for me. Now we're going to get a little rougher. Right back at it. Resistance. Hold it. Gotta relax first. There. Good boy. Step back. Let him soak on that a bit. Alright, now we're gonna go back and see if we can get his hind foot. Gotta relax. Step back, let him relax a minute. We'll go back and do it again. He had problems with the farrier. I guess it was a rodeo last time the farrier was there, so we're going to fix that too. Yes, sir.
Can I go get a water bottle?
Yes, sir. In the refrigerator in the barn. Not bad. He's still reaching back, wondering what's happening, but I can't take the chance he's going to nip either. So, all right, let's turn him around. We'll work on yielding the hindquarters later on. I held it a little longer because he was still trying to look at me and trying to put his mouth on me. He has to stand still, be relaxed, and give to the pressure. Giving to the pressure means everything, not sitting there, not moving around, being a jackass, trying to nip, trying to put his mouth on me. It's got to be complete. Very nice. Got it caught into me, so we'll move his feet. Bring him right back. Release the pressure. JW, would you throw me that towel, please? Hurry. Quick.
What?
Throw me that towel. Oh, almost made it. Thank you, sir. Poor kid's got dirt in his mouth and it's making him salivate a lot. That was better than yesterday too, and no shenanigans. He is watching them, so.
get that too?
Now he's trying to crowd in. A little lesson in humility here. He does what I ask and then he crowds into me, so I'm going to dare him. And all I'm doing is making it uncomfortable to crowd into me. See, he thought about it there and he stopped himself. Good boy. So now it's just a lesson in have a little patience. Now it's becoming a game. Okay, so now I've got to move his feet again. See if he got the message. Move his feet. This is going a little longer than I like, but until I get him back to me, I can't stop. I've got to end it on a good note. And I want him to end up just relaxed, just standing. All right. Again, this is Zeus. He's back in for a tune-up on his manners. Did a pretty good job. He's got some juvenile stuff to work through. Back it up. Okay. And we're going to work through it with him. We're going to help him out. I want him to keep those nuggets between his legs when he grows up. I want him to be a good stud. When he grows up, hopefully he'll have a good show career and make us all proud. But he can't do it if he doesn't start learning. The more he gets away with now, the worse it'll be later. And it'll just keep getting worse until he's dangerous. And at a point he was dangerous because he was rearing up on people at Ashley's place. So bring him in every once in a while for a tune-up until he gets to his 2-year-old birthday. He'll be ready for the trainer to put a saddle on his back. Hopefully I'll get to do that, but we'll send him off to the trainer, get him full started, and he'll have a good successful career and have manners. Anyways, Zeus from Roulette Performance Horses. Appreciate y'all watching. If you would like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions or you want to say something, let me know and we'll have a little conversation. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.